In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Walmart jobs online. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to make it as smooth as possible. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Walmart Careers website. You'll find it by typing in http://careers.walmart.com. This is the official portal where you'll be able to explore various job opportunities available at Walmart locations all over the country. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed on the page. This search bar is your tool to narrow down the job opportunities that align with your career interests and qualifications. You can enter job titles such as cashier or stock associate. Additionally, if there are specific keywords or skills you want to search for, feel free to include those. Most importantly, be sure to specify your preferred location. This could be a city, a state, or simply a zip code that fits your commuting capabilities. After filling out these details, go ahead and click the search button. You'll then be directed to a page filled with job listings that match the criteria you entered. Take your time to scroll through these listings. When a job title catches your eye, click on it to dive into the full details. This is where you'll learn everything you need to know about the role, including the job description, necessary qualifications, and the work schedule. If you find a position that truly interests you, the next step is to apply. On the job's detail page, you'll notice an Apply Now button. Click it to proceed. At this point, you'll either sign in to your existing Walmart account or create a new one if you haven't already. Now you're ready to complete the online application. This section requires your personal information, so make sure you have all the relevant details handy, like your name, address, phone number, and email. You'll also need to provide information about your work experience and education background. Take your time to ensure this is accurate and up to date. It's an essential aspect of your application. Lastly, you'll encounter a series of screening questions designed to further evaluate your compatibility with the role. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the Walmart job application process online. Remember to take your time with each step, ensuring that all information provided is accurate and reflective of your skills and experiences. Applying for a job is an important task, and with these steps, you're well on your way to potentially joining the Walmart team. Good luck and thank you for watching.